We got your music here. You ready to listen to some good music?
Yeah.
The Music and Memory program is located at all 4 of the Fairfax County Adult Day Healthcare Centers.
And I love to pat my foot.
Oh, I know you do. And the clients we serve are seniors with varying degrees of dementia, Alzheimer's, or other physical or cognitive impairments. So how the Music and Memory program works is we curate their own personal playlist of at least 10 songs, sometimes more, and they each have their individual iPod, which we will load their playlist onto, and we either give them their iPods during our weekly Music and Memory group session, or if a participant just wants to sit and listen to music by themselves, we will give them their iPod.
What kind of music I like? Oh, I like to dance.
Doris has been coming here, I want to say close to about 2 years now. She does really enjoy music. I think it really does help her to keep the part of herself, which was the kind of outgoing, fun, life of the party girl that she was. And it just helps her to, I think, be able to maintain that part of her personality.
I just like music. I really do.